Hey everyone, my name's Katy and I work with Sunshine Renewable Solutions. Today we are here with Chuck, and he actually got a solar system from us, so I'm just going to ask him a couple of questions. So, how did you hear about Sunshine Renewable Solutions?
Actually, I did a lot of research, on the product, and then read a number of reviews, and then a lot of stellar reviews of yourself, and decided to give you guys a go, and I think everything turned out excellent.
Awesome. What got you interested in solar?
Oh, I've wanted solar for years. Obviously, everybody wants to go green, but it's a situation to where the technology had come down low enough in order to make it more affordable, and so at that time I just decided to go with it.
Awesome. So how long have you had your solar system now?
Solar system went live in January of
Okay.
2020.
Awesome. So you got that tax credit then?
Got the full tax.
Oh, you got the full tax credit. Awesome. That's great. Cool. So what is your lowest energy bill?
Lowest energy bill is probably about a negative $60.
Yeah, that is awesome. We love to hear that's what we shoot for. Always negative energy bills is the go-to. That's so great.
Very happy about it.
Yes, awesome. So is that your favorite part about solar, you would say? Your negative energy bills and then getting the electric vehicle?
Yes. Actually, yes. Yes. While you pay money up front, it is awful nice to get reinforced with the decision that you made, accumulating negative electricity bill. I had an excellent experience with Sunshine. They followed up. They made it very hassle-free. And actually, he ended up getting us turned on much faster than I thought. So
Perfect.
things worked out well.
Good. So I'm glad the process went smoothly.
Excellent.
Awesome.